For students who want to future-proof themselves, like in the field of robotics, especially in a field where the tools and the method change so quickly,
Yeah.
either skills or maybe habits do you think will help them the most over the next decade or so?
When I was, only within like the last few years has so much changed. There's a huge embrace to AI, and so you sort of would have to come in with that experience. I'm sure students are getting that. I think a big one that I see constantly is being able to embrace AI tools. It's really powerful. I mean, it's super, super powerful. It's very capable. Um, I think that to a certain extent, you do definitely have to have a foundation for software engineering. But these AI tools are incredibly capable. I think you can leverage them in the same way that you can try to leverage a calculator. But I think the more important thing is that you have to be able to interpret an outcome to know sort of like what the next step is. Because if it's just writing your software or giving you a little bit of guidance, it's only as good as what information it has coming back. And so your ability to sort of determine the next step is based on assessing and interpreting the outcome of some experiment or some next test. And right now, at least, being able to do that in a hardware-based setting is very non-trivial. And so I would say that how things relate to a hardware setting is still challenging. That hasn't changed much in the last few years, in my
Yeah.
opinion.